afternoon, boys and girls, and welcome to Storytime with Miss Chastity. Today's Storytime is brought to you by the Durham County Library. And today I have a special friend here with me, and her name is Gigi. And Gigi is a giraffe. Can you say hello, Gigi? Today we're going to learn something about tying shoes. Well, Gigi, as we said, is a giraffe. And guess what Gigi's favorite game is? Basketball. Gigi loves to play basketball. But Gigi often had a hard time keeping her shoes tied while she played basketball. So today, you and Miss Chastity are going to show Gigi how to tie her shoes and keep them tied. We'll show her 2 ways to do that. Are you ready? Here we go. The first tie I like to show Gigi is called a loop-de-loop. Now, it's called a loop-de-loop, guys, because you make 2 loops. Let's try it with our left hand and then our right hand. So you make a loop here, hold it tight with your left. Then you make a loop here, hold it tight with your right. You cross these loops together, and guess what? You're going to take this loop that's standing high and push it in and pull it out. You see that, Gigi? Your shoes are tied. Great job, guys. Let's try it with our right hand. Let's untie Gigi's shoe and let's try it again with our right hand, guys. Here we go. We make a loop with our right hand. We make one with our left hand. We cross them up. We push the loop through and pull it tight. There you go with your right hand. The next shoe tie I want to teach Gigi is called the crisscross applesauce. Yum, that sounds good, and we'll teach Gigi how to tie her shoe. Crisscross applesauce, you want to hold the strings like this, and then you take with your left hand first, put it down, cross, see, you crisscrossed, and now let's pull it through for applesauce. Crisscross, applesauce. What comes next? Guess what? We're gonna do the loop-de-loop. Make the loop with the left hand, make the loop with the right hand, cross it over, push it through, and pull. There we go, guys. Gigi's shoe is tied. Let's try that again one more time. Crisscross applesauce. Here we go. Let's do it this time with the right. We push it over, crisscross, applesauce. We make a loop with the right hand. We make a loop with the left hand. Cross them over, push it through, pull. Yay! Good job, Gigi. I hope this video helped you guys teach Gigi and yourself how to tie your shoe. If you can't get the crisscross applesauce or the loop-de-loop, guess what? Gigi also has another shoe with special shoe strings that are springy. And when you do these shoestrings, you lace these up, and guess what? They stay, guys. Your shoestrings won't come untied. So, you can do the loop-de-loop or the crisscross applesauce, or until you learn, you can buy some springy shoestrings. Thank you guys for coming to Storytime with Miss Chastity. Say goodbye, Gigi. Goodbye.